Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 11th of April 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the updates from my side when I post the video. Okay, now let's move towards the analysis. Started from EUR USD. So EUR USD with a bearish expectation from my side in the morning from 112785 and 112490 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop on EUR USD, and hopefully all traders must have taken the very good profits by taking the sell positions on EUR USD. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD, the second signal that hit consecutively, and I have supplied the bearish signal. In case of New Zealand USD, the entry was 061603 and 067404 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market even went beyond the barrier of the target price. So overall, I congratulate all those traders who have taken sell positions on New Zealand USD today. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, I'm going to take you towards the signals report. Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish expectation from 130826, and I have the target price at 130447. And guys, you can see the market already break the entry 2 times, and overall it is in a bearish zone. So if it continues the bearish activity like this, then it can reach up to 130447. Okay, now let's talk about USD JPY, another satisfied signal of the day on USD JPY. Okay guys, the fourth signal that hit consecutively as per the signal report is USD JPY with a bullish expectation from 111133 and 111577 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry, the USD JPY started to go up, and finally it hit the target price in the same hour. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on USD JPY. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the USD CHF, another satisfied signal of the day with a bullish expectation from 100246 and 100634 was the target price. However, the target price is not met, but the market went up to 100465. So overall, a very good signal from my side. If you have traded this zone, then you must have taken a very good profit. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY, which is just on to the way, and with a bearish expectation from 79517 and 79195 is the target price. In case if it continues the bearish pattern like this, then this signal stays valid during the US session. Okay guys, overall now let's talk about the trading system. This is for the new subscribers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it starts making a bullish pattern, you can buy the pair. And here look, scalper has given us a buy signal, and then market has moved up. And when the market goes into the top red boundary or blue boundary, and if it starts getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. And look, scalper has pointed you with the red signal at the top, and then the market has went down. When it changes its color to green, it means time to buy. When it turns red, it means time to sell. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.